Hello and welcome back to Call to Claim channel, where you are called to claim free crypto airdrops. Today I'll be showing you guys on how to claim free $100 worth of Ella.fund token. Okay, so if you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'm asking you guys right now to go subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the bell icon, and also don't forget to give this video thumbs up, okay, for it helps me a lot, okay, for me to be ranked. Okay, so with that being said, let's head to the video. So right now I'll be showing you guys on how to do that. The link is going to be on my comment, okay, not the description. It's going to be on my comment section. Okay, so you have to go into the comment and pick the link from there and how to call sign up. Okay, enjoy. You are not signing up, is as in, don't worry, you just go and see what I'm about to do. Okay, so right here, let me show you guys how it works so that you won't get confused. So as it is right here right now, this is it. Okay, this is the timer. As you can see here, it say if you will make profit, how do you want to receive the payment, right? Ella.fund send you $100 free sign up bonus that can be withdrawn or trade on crypto market. Ella.fund. Okay, looking for people that wants to make money from home working on crypto market. So right now I will choose crypto wallet. Okay, now all you have to do is to put in your name here, put in your email here, and click to next step. Okay, click this to next step. As you're seeing here, what you're seeing here, you have to click on it. The one I'm highlighting here, you click on it. Okay, when you click on it, let me say, okay, let me use another name, James. Let's just like that. Let me put in another email here. Let's say Gabriel. Okay, let's say this one. Okay, let's use this one so that you see how the step is. Okay, so now I'm going to click the step. Okay, we sent email with instruction how to receive your $100 sign up bonus. Please confirm your email request now. Okay, it's the next step. Okay, sometimes you check and you see the email and no, but right here right now, as you can see, congratulations, you just received 100 Ella. Okay, $100 worth of Ella token. Okay, Ella Pro account, and this account now, but this is my own account I just created. Let me show you guys. See, okay, Pro account, you can activate it here. Okay, by paying amount of money. It's Ella Polygon. Okay, Ella BNB, Ella all. And let me show you guys. If you refer anybody, say share this link and give your friends and family $100 worth of Ella token, and you will gain 10 Ella, which is $10 worth of Ella for each share. Share this personal link on Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, email every day. Okay, now this is it. The chat is going. You can buy them now, as you can see here. Now you can do free spin, daily spin. Okay, you click on spin. You can click spin. Okay, me I've already spin. You say 10 spin left. Okay, you can click the spin. You see, because somebody I've actually referred somebody, so they have given me how do you call spin. At first you're gonna see 3 on your own, but right now you saw 10 on my own. I already did the 3 spin, and now I'm getting 10 spin. So as you can see, 1,777. I spin again. I might win, I might not. As you can see, I go again. As you can see, so that is how this works. Right now I've gotten 45. Now you can go to your everything is increasing. This is 822. Now let's go again and see if any luck can come in. Alright, 21. Everything 843. You see that? So that's how it works. Okay, so right now, believe me, actually on your Trust Wallet account, your sign up bonus is 50 wheels, right? So as I can show you guys, I've shown you guys how that one works. Win daily on slot dividends. Okay, now dividends. Understand? If you got bit of currency, you can twist, you can swap. See here, look at people. So if you bought the coin, guys, let me explain. If you go to the Telegram group, okay, you will see how it works. Okay, I'm going to do every single step on how it works. Okay, so right here, let me show you guys the payment method. But I won't show you on my Trust Wallet. Okay, but the process is inside the way. So let me just show you guys how it's been done. Where is the place? Let me search for it. Okay, say how to get Ethereum wallet address. You click on this one, the one that turned green. You click on it, let it open. Okay, guys, how it works. So you can follow the instructions. Yeah, now these are instructions. Okay, the program I'm using is on my iPhone is not that good. It's not like the one of as it called Android. Okay, so I can't pause this video to go log in my trust to show you guys. Okay, this is the process. Alright, so read carefully. So right now, as you can see, people are talking about it. Are responding and so on. Okay, and you're going to see more of this. So right here, let me show you guys the listen. I'm looking for the address. I saw it somewhere here. Okay, maybe it's not here. Let me go back. Back and show you guys. Can I see that? It's a Telegram group. Now look at the Telegram group here. Okay, look at the Telegram group. How to get a Ethereum wallet address. This, that is the I don't get. Is it like that? Okay, let's see it again. This is how this is going to work. Okay, bear with me, guys. Let's see how this works. Okay, and this way you're going to insert it. With a wallet address. So let's go find that. How is it called? To home. Let's see place. Okay, withdraw. Click on. Go to this place. How to get a Ethereum wallet address. I don't know why my phone is misbehaving. Okay, let me use the other account to show you guys. Okay, okay, you can join the Telegram group here. You can share your link. So Active Pro. So right now I want to show you guys where it as it called the wallet. Okay, so let's find it. Okay, this is the right ones. Look at it here. Now these are the instructions they are giving you guys. So follow it carefully. If you are using Android for it, carefully. Now this is the wallet address. This one I just highlighted. Okay, that is the one. All you have to do is to copy it. Okay, then go follow this processing here. Okay, you go to as you call say create a new wallet. After that, you click on this icon here which you are seeing that rating indicating. After that, you click on plus. After that, you click on Polygon. You search for it. Okay, you switch your Ethereum to Polygon. Okay, look Polygon and put it there. Okay, that is how you do it. Okay, now where you now put it, now click done. Now you have gotten the Polygon. They're going to tell you to paste that wallet address you just copy from the site into this place. Okay, then follow the process here. Alright, so when I will do it, I'm going to make another video on how to put this on your Trust wallet. Okay, so guys, if you love this video and you want to earn more on this channel, please subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell icon, and don't forget to hit this particular video. Okay, give it a thumbs up. Alright.